Hi, my name is Erin Muldoon Stetson, and I am the holistic healer with taponit.com. And today I want to talk to you about luck, thanks to my friend Veronica, who I bought this amazing personalized Chinese astrological calendar from her, and she got to tell me all of my good days, good luck days, positive days, and even my negative days or my bad luck days where I should avoid things or be careful about things. And that's been super helpful for me. I've been using it, and things have been so smooth and great when I take that into consideration and implement it into my life. And I have another tool to teach you to help improve your luck, make things even better, in addition to that calendar that can really lift your spirits and lift your energy, improve your luck in your life whenever you want to. And it's called EFT Tapping, Emotional Freedom Techniques. The casual term is tapping. And I'm just going to guide you through a little exercise, and all you got to do is follow along with me, and you'll be stacking the deck in your favor toward better luck, just like using that calendar. So go ahead and tap on your karate chop spot and just follow along with me. Tap on the points that I tap on, and then repeat after me what I say. I'll say it first, and then you'll say it back. I'll leave a little space for you to say that, okay? So even though I'm afraid of having bad luck, I choose to relax and breathe and attract positive energy and good luck in my direction. Even though I'm afraid of bad luck, sometimes it feels like I have a dark cloud over my head and I have all this negative energy and things never go right. I choose to center myself and balance myself and love and accept myself just as I am. Even though I'm afraid of having bad luck, and sometimes it seems like I can't get away from it, I choose to relax and breathe and attract good luck in my direction, inviting positive energy, letting go of the negative. Sometimes I think I just have bad luck. Bad luck is horrible. And I don't know how to control it. I have bad luck sometimes. And I don't know what to do. This bad luck follows me around. I have bad luck sometimes. I choose to center myself and balance myself and love and accept myself, attracting positive energy, attracting good luck into my life. I use the information that I can to stack the deck in my favor. For instance, a Chinese astrological calendar can be helpful. I use tools that can help me bring good luck toward me, like EFT tapping. I breathe and relax and center myself and balance myself, attracting good luck wherever I can with knowledge, awareness, and love. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it out nice, big, and smooth. Okay, thanks so much for joining me on this little mini celebration for St. Patrick's Day weekend. Thanks to my friend Veronica for inviting me to do this little post about luck. And I hope you guys all have a great day. Take care. Again, I'm Erin Muldoon Stetson, the holistic healer from taponit.com. Have a good day. Bye-bye.